The most magical fiber in the world. Specific modulus, second only to premium carbon fibers. Compared to strength, it is more than 10 times that of steel wire with the same cross-section. It's Dynama Fiber. It is a well-known brand among ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene fiber products. It can provide maximum strength with minimal weight. It is the strongest fiber that humans can synthesize so far. This thin rope made of Dynama fiber with a diameter of only 4 millimeters can lift a weight of 150 kilograms. The fishing line made of it will not be pulled off even if a giant object is caught. Dynama fibers have ultra-long molecular chains. Under the same quality, it has higher tensile strength. At the same tensile strength, it also has the characteristic of lighter weight. Under the same quality, the tensile strength of Dynama fiber is 15 times that of steel, and it's lightweight. It can also effectively resist the erosion of ultraviolet light and chemical reagents. Therefore, it is often used on gloves, textile fibers, and ropes. 5-finger shoes and socks made of Dynama fiber are even more renowned in the industry. Wearing it is like wearing a pair of soft shoes, more like gloves on our feet. 5-finger shoes and socks are both breathable and elastic. Even if it's climbing and running, it won't hurt your feet, even less likely to grind or cut feet, even comfortable and lightweight to wear. They also designed many small bumps at the bottom of the socks, prevent slipping when walking on wetland. In addition, Dynama fiber also has many excellent properties such as water resistance, acid resistance, alkali resistance, and corrosion resistance. Therefore, it can even be used instead of steel cables.